Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put detergent in a Whirlpool washing machine. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a Whirlpool washing machine. This is actually the Whirlpool Duet Steam. So once again, you can see it is the Whirlpool Duet Steam, and this washer actually came with the house in the sense that the previous homeowners got it, and you know, when we bought the house off them, they left it for us. So it served us really well, and honestly, it's a great washer. And generally speaking, most Whirlpool washing machines are going to be very similar with regards to how you load detergent into them. Now, this one actually came with this little device that lets you automatically load detergent in it. So you would put a lot of detergent in it, and then it would just automatically dispense however much it thought that it needed. I don't use that device typically, so I just pour the detergent in there. So the first step is get your detergent ready. You really don't need that much detergent. I just have a load of my wife and my our master bedroom bed, the sheets. So the bed sheets of my wife and my own bed. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. Our bed sheets I have in there, okay? You just need a little bit of detergent. This is probably even a little bit too much, but it's okay. And essentially you want to look for a drawer that can be opened, okay? It's going to have a handle on it. You're going to see a little separation. You're going to open that drawer, and inside of there you're going to see different slots. Now you can see we basically don't use fabric softener or bleach, so that's why we only use detergent. That's why these are quite dirty, because we never really use them for the most part. But you're going to look for a spot that tells you to add detergent there. So you can see right here it says that you can place the cartridge here, which is that auto loading thing, or add a single dose of liquid or powder detergent here. So I have liquid detergent right here. This is basically a single dose. You're just going to pour it right in there. Okay, just pour it in there. And, you know, I'm going to rinse the cup. I don't need to get every last drop because I'm going to rinse the cup out after. And then close the drawer. And what's going to happen is when you turn on the washing machine and you start the cycle, it's going to mix the detergent with the water into there, and that will, you know, scrub the soiled clothing or the soiled sheets, whatever it is. I'm only saying that because it says soil over here. That's, you know, like the dirty sheets, the dirty clothing, whatever you want to call it. And that's honestly it. It's that easy. That is how to load detergent into a Whirlpool washing machine. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.